Welcome. If you're looking to change the display language on Instagram using your PC, you're in the right place. Maybe you want to explore Instagram in your native language, or you're just curious to see how the platform looks in another language. With the latest update, Instagram has made it even easier to switch languages right from your browser. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Instagram website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu with several icons. Find the one labeled More. It's usually at the bottom of the menu and looks like 3 horizontal lines or a small circle with dots inside. Click on the More icon. A small menu will pop up with a few extra options. From here, select Settings. This will open up a new panel where you can adjust different aspects of your Instagram experience. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Language. It should be easy to spot, and clicking on it will bring up a list of all the languages that Instagram supports. Scroll through the list until you find the language you want to use. Whether it's Spanish, French, Japanese, or any other language, just click on your choice. Once you select your new language, Instagram will automatically refresh and update the display language across the entire site. There's no need to restart your browser or log in again. The change takes effect right away. And that's it. You've now successfully changed the display language on Instagram using your PC. This simple update can make your browsing experience much more comfortable and personalized. If you ever want to switch back or try another language, just repeat these steps. Enjoy exploring Instagram in your preferred language.